You can send Flipbooks to OpenDocs through the pipeline. In your VisualParadigm online workspace, mouse over your Flipbook and click the ellipsis button. Select Send to OpenDocs pipeline. Add an optional comment if you like. Then confirm with OK. Your Flipbook will be sent to the pipeline. When editing your document in OpenDocs, go to Insert, choose Pipeline, and select the Flipbook you want to include. The Flipbook will now be added to your document. It will appear as a preview while the document is in editing mode. Once you finish editing, the Flipbook will function normally. Unlike other design artifacts, updating a Flipbook does not require switching to a newer revision inside the document. OpenDocs will always display the latest version of your Flipbook automatically.